how to make an offer on Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make an offer on Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to make an offer on Poshmark, then all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all open up your browser and then just go to poshmark.com. Now you have to go to your own closet by tapping the profile icon and then tapping your view my closet button. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page as you can clearly see over here. And then here you can simply select the products that you might have listed. You can tap on it and then you can select the option called offer or price drop. If it's been quite a while you've listed the product, you can enter the offer price and the real price, and then after that your offers will be successfully made. This is how you can make an offer on Poshmark. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.